Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making creamy macaroni fruit salad. In a bowl I will take 1 cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We are going to mix everything together. Once everything is well combined and sugar is dissolved, we are going to add our ingredients. First we are going to add 1 cup of boiled and chilled macaronis, 1 large apple cut into small cubes, 1 can of fruit cocktail, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, and 1 tablespoon of raisins. We're gonna mix everything together. Once everything is well combined, we are going to keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. We're gonna top it with some almonds and chill and serve. Enjoy this recipe. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.